ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi bashnyam bat pinjas liang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish.
Ordar mapi Ninwan Ramangi Hakerdob Ying Jongpi.
Chairman Jongka Regional Committee Nakabanta ka West Khasi Hills District uba polling do uloong ba ka committee kan sa IT ya ka kaipot sya ka sarkar jala onda la penlong biang ya ka Jurip lang bat ki dikhot Jongka Regional Committee na ka jala Assam ya ki jaka badon hapadeng ka jia ka japut ki bahap hapo ka Langpih sektor ha ka jia karan bagilat pathai khubor ha ka arphundai terek urisau arhajar arpsau uba polling do uloong ba ka regional committee kalabatha ya u deputy commissioner Jongka West Khasi Hills District ban yakaren bat u deputy commissioner Jongka Kamrup District khanang ban busngi ya ka jingepen ban na ka benta ka Jurip ya ka Langpih sektor hanrei na kaliang Jongka Assam kamshem la aiktien satya tat hadu kini kisngi
Have made efforts to contact our counterparts in Assam. I have also asked the DC, for instance, of Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills, to speak to the DC of Kamrup. So far, we have not been able to receive any favorable response. There has been no response to the latest attempts for us to wind things up. To submit the final report only after the visit to the affected areas takes place. We have indicated winter of 2024, so we're still awaiting that response from the government of Assam. The last meeting, which was held at Hotel Pinewood, we have shared these documents. The response has been positive, and we just need to cross one more hurdle, which is a visit to the affected areas, so that we are also able to meet the residents of the affected areas. That is the only hitch that remains, which we are yet to cross. Lift and take, everything will depend on the parameters which we have identified, like contiguity, history, all of those.